Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Linode virtual servers safely, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall a Linode virtual server safely, begin by logging into your Linode account at linode.com. Navigate to the Linode section from the dashboard. Identify the virtual server you wish to uninstall. Before proceeding, ensure that you have backed up any necessary data from the server. Click on the name of the Linode to view its management page. On the management page, locate the power section. If the server is currently running, click on Power Off to shut it down. Wait a few moments to ensure the server is completely powered off. After confirming the power status, navigate to the Settings tab. Scroll down to find the Remove section. Click on the Remove button. A confirmation prompt will appear, warning you about the permanent deletion of your Linode. Read the prompt carefully to understand the implications of the removal. If you are sure about proceeding, confirm the deletion by typing the Linode name as instructed. Once you confirm, the Linode will be permanently removed from your account. Monitor the dashboard to ensure that the Linode no longer appears in your list. After the deletion, consider checking your billing information to confirm that you will no longer incur charges for that Linode. This completes the process of safely uninstalling a Linode virtual server. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.